Hey guys, Raghav here. In this video, I am going to show you how to turn on ambient mode display in any smartphone using Google Assistant. Before getting into this video, subscribe to Black16White16 and click the bell icon without fail. Let's get this video started. Go to Play Store and click the search bar and just type Google. Click on the first one which is appearing and click on What's New and scroll down to the last. You can see here the version info 10.85.11.21. Make sure that you have downloaded this version, only then you will be able to turn on the ambient mode on any smartphone. Once you have installed the latest version of Google, go back and click on Google and see the bottom menus and click on the more, and you can see here settings. Click on settings and there are many things here: general, notification, Google Assistant, voice and extra. Click on Google Assistant and go to Assistant, and you can see here many options. Scroll down to the last and click on Assistant devices and click on the first one, phone. Once you have logged in, you can see here personalization, personal results, lock screen, personal results, and scroll down, you can see here ambient mode. Make sure that you have turned it on.